If you don't know your watch hour, that means you don't know how close you are to monetization. And most small YouTubers are checking it the wrong way. So give me 3 minutes. I will show you exactly how to check your YouTube watch time hour the correct way using your phone or laptop. So you track your process to 4,000 hours or 3,000 hours properly. Welcome back to Grow with Kelvin, where we help creators grow faster and smarter. If your goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, this video is for you. Let's go straight into it. First thing first, don't check your watch hour using the YouTube normal app. It won't show you what you need. You open your YouTube studio. If you're using a phone, download the YouTube Studio app. If you're using a laptop, then go to studio.youtube.com. Once you are inside, click on the N tab. If you check down here, you see dashboard, content, analytics, community, and N. Click on the N tab. So if you scroll down to the N, you are going to see what it shows here. First thing you will see here is that you will see your watch hour. Yes, your valid published watch hour. And then you are going to see this is what YouTube counts towards monetization. Yes, YouTube count this towards monetization. The public watch hour, it is the one YouTube count towards monetization. It's not the watch hour you have on your channel, but YouTube have its way of counting public watch hour. And get in mind that this public watch hour, it should be gotten from long form content and not shorts, because on shorts you are going to see that valid public short view, and you must have it within 90 days. That's 3 months. You get? So on the analytics, that is the only tab that shows you the correct public watch hour you have towards monetization. Now listen carefully. Not all watch time counts. Only public watch hour counts, and it should be gotten within 365 days. Watch hour from private videos, unlisted, deleted ads campaign, they don't count towards monetization. So if you promote your video and you get a lot of watch hour subscribers, they don't count towards monetization. What counts is the public watch hour you have from your long form content. Even you have 1,000 watch hour and then you private that video, YouTube automatically deduct that watch hour from current watch hour, because they don't count private videos, unlisted, deleted, and ads campaign videos. The watch hour don't count towards monetization. If you want deeper data of your watch hour that you have gained within the 365 days, you can go to your YouTube analytics. On your YouTube analytics, you will see your total watch hour that you have got on your channel. That helps you know if you are growing or you are just posting. Now, here is the truth. If you check your watch hour every week, you will start creating more strategically, because what gets measured gets improved. Stop guessing, start tracking, and start growing. If this helped you, like this video. Comment below how many watch hours you currently have on your channel. Let's see who is closer to monetization. And subscribe to Grow with Kelvin. I don't just teach YouTube, I teach growth. And if you want to skyrocket your channel, I also do one-on-one coaching. On the one-on-one coaching, we audit your channel, tell you what is wrong, why your channel is not growing, and what to do to improve your channel growth.